Today we have Abby, and she is going to be teaching us 4 different card games that you could play with a preschooler or a kindergartner or even a first grader. So to get started, we sorted our deck of cards already, and in our deck we have an ace all the way up through a 10, but we took all of the face value cards out, and I only have 1 of each number. So Abby, if you could show our first game, which is going to be put the cards in order. Now for little kids, I would recommend only having 1 of each number as opposed to multiples. It might get a little confusing. I do talk about an ace represents 1 because there's only 1 object on the card. Awesome. So with a little kid, you could talk about, go ahead and tell me what numbers you have in order. Abby, if you want to go ahead and just demonstrate that, start with the ace and just say it like 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent. Now preschoolers and kindergartners are typically learning what a number looks like. So Abby, if you want to just hold up a random card and show it to the camera, and you could practice what number is it, and then check your work by counting up all of the objects on the card. So that's another way you could play with cards with kids at that age. Another thing you could do is sorting. Now, if you had the full deck, that would probably be best for this activity, but Abby, what are some ways that you could sort these cards?
You could do it by color, you could do it by the shape, or you could do it by
the suit, right? Like that is this, yeah, good. So by color, by the number, or by the suit. And one other game you could play is what's the missing number? So Abby, if you want to hold up a card, actually go ahead and scramble up the cards real quick, flip them so that we can't see. You're gonna go ahead and pick up a number. So Abby's gonna be kind of like the parent or the teacher. She's gonna look at the card. She knows what the number is, but I don't. And Abby is going to give me some clues.
Okay, it's between the numbers 8 and 10.
Okay, so then you could have a number line or some sort of a visual to reference. But if it's between 8 and 10, I know it's greater than 8, less than 10. The number must be 9. Go ahead and show me the card. Perfect. And the final activity that I would recommend with this age group is Abby, go ahead and pick up a card. Any card and show me the number. She has the number 5. So you could talk about what is 1 more than 5, which would be 6, or what is 1 less than 5, which would be 4. So I hope that you enjoy those games and give them a good try with your students or children, and have a great day.